So last night's pictures in Rainstorm, whatever you want to call it, I just fixed this picture. This picture, believe it or not, actually looked like this picture a minute ago. So let's go in and fix this one. Why not? Let's have some fun. Double click, open it up in Camera Raw. First thing we see is the white balance isn't right, so let's change the white balance. Let's make it the color it's supposed to be. Then we come down here to the magic button, which is called a dehaze filter. And we take the dehaze filter and we move it across. And all of a sudden the dust goes bye-bye. Let's brighten this up just a little bit. Actually, darker makes it look better. And there's your picture. I'm sure there's some more stuff I could do here. Let's see, highlights. Yeah, we're good. So, yeah, just a little brighter. I don't like the trees and stuff in the background, but there you go. Blacks. Yeah, I could play with this a little bit more if I wanted to. Well, let's leave it right there. Done.